Chase, 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 on the beat, on the beat, on the beat. Sorry sound, sorry sound, sorry sound, sorry sound.
Broke boy with so many wishes, he had a dream, no one would listen. Niggas tripping, dreaming money, so he had to get it. Said he tired of bitches, steady thinking with his back on the wall. Mine is screaming while he get in the car, so he pick up the phone. His homie D told him meet him alone, so he hopped in the whip that his mama had on. His sister came with him, so she wouldn't tell, cause if he didn't, it would be so much hell. His mama crazy, she would send him to jail. Back to the ride, it was going real well. His sister was curious, but she was 12. She asked him the time, 10 minutes to 12. Who are you meeting? He told her Odell. Sit back and shut up and enjoy the trail. Now it's 12, they pull up to a cabin. Homie in the car, his music is blasting. Stepping out, Joncatelli was gassing. Walking up to him, he hit it and passed it. Time to put these broke niggas in caskets. Got a plan that will have niggas asking how they do it, man. That shit was like magic. Time to get money and show it through fashion. Brody told Johnny that he had a plan. Johnny looking, hoping he understand. Older talking, saying he knew a man. In the attic, he had 200 grand. Johnny knew it was a robbery. D had some guns to get him off for free. They talked for 30, then he had to leave. And he went back home so he could fall asleep. Waking up with a smile on his face, he called Adele, said it's time to get paid. They waited long until the end of the day. Pulled up to the mansion, hopped over the gate. Running up with the mask, fully loaded. When they bust through the back, they in the attic and they just found a stash. Running out and they both see a flash. Johnny has to rock cause they won't sign him. Sitting by the light, 5 just flew right by him. So much running through his head, they been not trying. Cause he crazy and he might pull out that rifle. Johnny has to rock cause they won't sign him. Sitting by the light, 5 just flew right by him. So much running through his head, they been not trying. Cause he crazy and he might pull out that rifle. They made it out, they saw a flash and it was in the house. They at the light, cop flew right by. They made a home, they sitting on the couch. Counting stacks, don't know how to act. About to spend some racks on the Cadillac. Fuck it all, I don't need to rap. So much money, what we do with that? Description all up on the news, it kinda resembled the both of the two. Johnny confused, what the fuck should I do? Odo told him, man, you don't need to trip. Back the money and let's get on the move. We cannot get caught if we do not have evidence. Get this money and let's change up the residence. So if they stop us, they will not be saying shit. Light up a blunt, man, this is some crazy shit. Praying, hoping that they make it there. Put the money in the car with the guns. I hope they won't take it there. If they relocated, then they're gravy. Pulling out the house, they hoping that they make it. Sitting at the lights with the cops patrolling. If they stop them, then they both gone and they know it. Nervous as fuck, but still trying not to show it. Look in the mirror, that cop is trying to focus. Johnny has to rock cause they won't sign him. Sitting by the light, 5 just flew right by him. So much running through his head, they been not trying. Cause he crazy and he might pull out that rifle. Johnny has to rock cause they won't sign him. Sitting at the light, the cop pulled right beside him. He looked him in the eyes and said, I think we got him. It might be over cause he just pulled out that rifle.